ballistic dart launcher. The ballistic dart launcher looks almost like a toy, but don't be fooled. It's a compact, serious tool for short-range defense and precise practice. It fires small, sharp darts. Carve is a revolutionary skiing gadget that turns your regular runs into a personal coaching session. Small enough to fit in your pocket and about the size of a chocolate bar, it attaches easily to your ski boots and transforms the way you learn and improve on the slopes. Unlike a basic fitness tracker, Carve works as a complete ski performance lab. Using advanced 6-axis sensors, it tracks every detail of your movements, from your balance and weight distribution to your turns and speed. The real magic lies in its artificial intelligence, which analyzes your performance instantly and gives you live feedback through your smartphone headset. Imagine skiing down a slope while hearing real-time tips on how to adjust your stance, shift your weight, or refine your technique. It's like having a professional coach by your side every second, without the cost of hiring an instructor. Whether you're a beginner trying to master the basics or an experienced skier looking to fine-tune your style, Carve helps you improve faster, smarter, and with more confidence. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, Carve is changing ski training forever, making every slope a chance to get better. Flyability Ilios. The Flyability Ilios 3 is changing how industries handle inspections in dangerous or hard-to-reach places. In the past, checking oil tanks, tunnels, or even nuclear reactors meant weeks of preparation, heavy equipment, and teams of specialists working in risky environments. Now, that same work can be done in a single day with a drone no bigger than a basketball. Protected by a tough spherical cage, the Ilios 3 can easily fly through tight, confined spaces, bouncing off walls without getting damaged. This makes it perfect for exploring areas where people cannot safely go. Inside, the drone is packed with advanced technology, including LiDAR for 3D mapping, a thermal camera to detect heat patterns, and ultrasonic sensors for accurate measurements. All the data it collects is instantly turned into detailed digital reports, making the process faster, safer, and far more efficient. By replacing weeks of work with just hours, companies can save hundreds of thousands of dollars while reducing risks for workers. Strong, reliable, and incredibly smart, the Ilios 3 shows how modern drones are becoming vital tools for industries worldwide. It proves that sometimes the smallest machines can handle the biggest jobs. The jet-powered scooter by Spec Technics takes something usually reserved for airplanes and racing machines and puts it into personal transportation. Jet engines are normally huge, loud, and complex, but this team managed to shrink the idea into a compact design that fits right onto a scooter. Powered by a miniature turbine, it's built to be practical, lightweight, and far more manageable than traditional jet engines that require massive cooling systems and fuel tanks. What makes it even more impressive is how it was created. Using a mix of standard manufacturing and modern 3D printing, the team transformed a simple sketch into a working prototype. The result is a scooter that doesn't just ride smoothly. It blasts down the track with the raw power of jet propulsion, delivering a completely new kind of thrill. It's not just a novelty toy, but a glimpse into how advanced technology can transform everyday vehicles into something extraordinary. Whether for speed, innovation, or just the sheer fun of riding, the jet-powered scooter proves that the future of transport doesn't always have to be big and complicated. It can be small, fast, and unbelievably exciting. Knuckle Stun Gun. The knuckle stun gun is a clever self-defense tool that combines the grip of brass knuckles with the power of a stun gun, giving you extra security when you need it most. Priced around $35 to $50, it's small enough to slip into your pocket and easy to hold firmly in stressful situations, so you won't lose your grip if things get tense. Despite its compact size, it's highly effective. The LG Cinebeam S takes home entertainment to a whole new level, proving that big cinema experiences can now come in small, stylish packages. Gone are the days when you needed bulky projectors and messy cables to set up a theater at home. This compact device, just a little bigger than a teacup, can project a crystal clear 4K image up to an incredible 120 inches, turning any wall into a giant screen. What's even more amazing is that it only needs to be placed 30 centimeters from the wall to deliver a stunning theater-like display, making it perfect even for small spaces. With its built-in WebOS system, the Cinebeam S connects you directly to popular streaming services, so you can enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, or sports without any extra devices or complicated setup. Simply plug it in, choose your content, and let the magic unfold. Whether you're hosting a movie night, gaming with friends, or enjoying family time, this mini projector creates a powerful viewing experience that feels effortless. Priced at about $1,000, the LG Cinebeam S combines convenience, style, and performance, making it one of the smartest upgrades for any modern home. Micro-sized camera. The micro-sized camera is a groundbreaking invention that proves even the tiniest devices can make a massive impact. About the size of a grain of salt, it's officially the smallest camera in the world. Yet it delivers high-resolution, full-color images that can compete with those from modern smartphones. This incredible achievement is made possible by a special metasurface built from 1.6 million nano-sized cylindrical posts, each roughly the size of the HIV virus. These tiny structures capture light, while advanced AI algorithms process the information into clear, detailed images. The potential uses for this technology are truly exciting. In medicine, it could revolutionize endoscopes, giving doctors new ways to look inside the human body with minimal invasion. It could also be integrated into ultra-small robots, futuristic security systems, or compact smart devices where space is limited, but powerful imaging is needed. What makes this invention even more promising is that it's already being prepared for mass production, meaning we may see it applied in real-world devices sooner than expected. The micro-sized camera is a perfect example of how shrinking technology doesn't mean losing power. Instead, it opens the door to new possibilities in science, healthcare, and everyday life. Octalock. Octalock is a smart and innovative locking system designed to provide maximum security with modern convenience. Unlike traditional locks, Octalock uses advanced technology to make sure your belongings are always safe while giving you easy access when you need it. Its sleek and compact design makes it perfect for everyday use, whether you want to secure your backpack, luggage, locker, or even your bike. With multiple locking options, including keyless entry and app control, it saves you from the hassle of carrying keys around. The durable construction is resistant to tampering, cutting, and weather, so you can trust it in any situation. One of its best features is how simple it is to use. Just set it up once and enjoy instant security wherever you go. It's also lightweight and portable, making it a travel-friendly solution for anyone who needs reliable protection on the move. Octalock combines safety, style, and technology in a way that keeps up with modern life, ensuring peace of mind while keeping your valuables secure. Whether at school, work, gym, or during travel, this lock makes protection effortless and smart. ProTech Lifesaver. The ProTech Lifesaver is a smart, compact multi-tool designed to help in emergencies and boost personal safety. Whether it's rescuing someone from a burning car or giving confidence to someone walking alone, this device is built for situations where every second counts. It combines several essential tools in one: a bright flashlight for visibility, a 120 dB siren to scare off attackers or call for help, and two steel tips strong enough to break car windows. It also includes a seatbelt cutter, making it incredibly useful for car accidents or rescue situations. Created by a self-defense instructor and volunteer rescuer, the design reflects real-life experience and practicality. Despite packing so many functions, the ProTech Lifesaver is only 142 millimeters long, making it small enough to fit easily in a purse, pocket, or glove box. A secure clip lets you attach it to a belt or even your car visor, so it's always within reach. On Indiegogo, its starting price was just $34, proving that life-saving tools don't have to be expensive. Lightweight, affordable, and easy to carry, the ProTech Lifesaver is a reliable companion that gives peace of mind and prepares you for the unexpected. Ringstone Rink Case C1. The Ringstone Rink Case C1 is not your average phone case. It's a smart and stylish upgrade for your device. What makes it special is the built-in e-ink display on the back, which lets you personalize your phone like never before. You can display your favorite photos, inspirational quotes, to-do lists, or even quick reminders, all visible without unlocking your phone. The e-ink screen is energy efficient, easy to read in sunlight, and doesn't strain your eyes, making it both practical and fun. This case is also designed to protect your phone with its durable build, ensuring safety while adding a modern twist. It's lightweight and sleek, so it doesn't make your phone bulky, yet it adds a completely new level of convenience. Whether you're a student who wants to keep class schedules handy, a professional tracking daily tasks, or just someone who enjoys customizing their gadgets, the Ringstone Rank Case C1 is perfect for you. It blends technology and creativity, turning your smartphone into more than just a communication tool. It becomes your personal assistant and style statement. With this case, staying organized and unique has never been easier. The Rockabot is a smart and portable little robot designed to keep your spaces safe and germ-free. This handy device is equipped with a built-in UVC lamp that sterilizes any surface it rolls across, killing harmful bacteria and germs in just seconds. Unlike bulky cleaning tools, the Rockabot is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for both home and travel. Imagine checking into a hotel and instantly being able to sanitize your bed, pillows, or even the entire room without lifting a finger. The robot is smart enough to detect edges so it won't fall off the bed or table, and it automatically turns to cover every surface. The Seastar S30 is changing the way people experience the night sky by making stargazing simple, exciting, and accessible for everyone. Unlike traditional bulky telescopes that require a lot of setup and knowledge, this compact device weighs only 1.7 kilograms and can easily fit inside a regular bag, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. Despite its small size, the Seastar S30 packs powerful technology. It features a dual lens system with smart noise reduction, giving you clear and sharp images of galaxies, planets, and even distant nebula, even if you're observing from a city with light pollution. What makes it even more impressive is its built-in celestial database, which includes over 4,000 objects such as the Moon, Saturn, and the Orion Nebula. Using it is as simple as placing it down, opening the app, and selecting what you want to see. The telescope will automatically point, track, and capture the object for you. Whether you're on your balcony, in your backyard, or traveling outdoors, the Seastar S30 makes exploring the wonders of space effortless and fun. It brings the universe closer, offering a magical stargazing experience without the complexity. The SWDK Handy Mopper is a clever little robot that takes care of one of the most tiring and boring household chores, mopping the floors. Designed by the American company SWDK, this $200 gadget is made to replace your mop and vacuum, giving you a cleaner home with almost no effort. It's built to be safe and reliable, carefully avoiding furniture, pets, and obstacles while gliding smoothly across the floor. Before it begins, the Handy Mopper creates a virtual map of your room, making sure it doesn't miss a single spot. Instead of moving randomly, it works in a systematic pattern, covering every inch of space. Through its handy mobile app, you can schedule when you want it to clean, whether during the day while you're out or at night when you're resting. The M48 knife. The M48 Liberator is a modern knife inspired by the classic trench knives of World War I, which were designed for soldiers fighting in tight and dangerous spaces. This updated version keeps that same tough spirit but adds modern materials and craftsmanship. It features a 19-centimeter stainless steel 2CR13 blade with a sleek satin finish, made to be razor-sharp and highly durable. The handle is crafted from fiberglass reinforced nylon, giving you a strong, non-slip grip that feels secure in your hand. Just the look of this knife is enough to make it stand out, and it carries a bold presence that shows its strength. Priced at around $80, the M48 Liberator offers excellent value for its quality, making it a great choice for knife collectors, outdoor adventurers, or anyone who appreciates reliable tools. It also comes with its own fitted case for safe carrying and storage. Whether you're using it for camping, survival, or simply as part of a collection, the M48 is built to last and perform. Strong, sharp, and stylish, this knife proves that a classic design can still deliver in today's world. Tops Knives Mini Sling. The Tops Knives Mini Sling is a clever little slingshot that proves big things can come in small packages. Designed as a compact version of the original Tops Sling, it was created after fans wanted something easier to carry around. The result is a tiny slingshot that fits right in the palm of your hand, and even with its case on, it's so light, just 37 grams, that you might forget it's in your pocket. But don't underestimate it because of its size. The mini sling is impressively accurate, hitting targets up to 15 meters away with surprising precision. It's perfect for casual target practice, like shooting cans, but also versatile enough for more creative uses. Some people load it with paint-filled projectiles for a colorful mess, while others consider pepperball-style ammo for added defense options. Of course, traditional rubber ammo works great and keeps things simple. This little slingshot grabbed attention at the SHOT Show for its unique design and usefulness. Priced around $150, it's not the cheapest gadget, but for collectors, outdoor lovers, and anyone who enjoys lightweight portable gear, the mini sling is a fun, reliable, and versatile tool that punches well above its size.